will talk about how can you enable private messages notifications on your Reddit app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, just go above your photo, click on it here. So when you click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on settings. So when you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on account settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here, and you go down, then you click here on manage notifications. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. You come here to private messages, then you click in this sign here that like you see this color show for us as main private messages notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.